Welcome back, my students. I'm Ellie at EnglishFunZone.com, and today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. So let's get started. You're going to be listening to a student who is 11 years old and is considered to be an advanced speaker. But he gets very nervous when he's being recorded or when it's a test. He's answering this question. Describe the thing you most like to do when you have some free time. You should say what it is, what you do, what makes you enjoy the activity, and explain why this activity is important to you. Now pause this video and think about that for a minute. You will hear improper intonation. His voice goes up when it should go down. Look at the sentences. Which ones are correct and which ones aren't? As you can see, I have made some notes to help you find his mistakes. Now let's listen to how the student answered this question.
I like to play soccer during my free time. Usually at 7 p.m. In the afternoon, I will go out and play soccer with my dad. But in some occasions, for example, my dad is stuck in traffic, I'll play with my mom. And I will play soccer for about an hour. I enjoy playing soccer because after doing my homework or having classes, I want to relax, and I think playing soccer is the best way to relax and have some fun, and not think about the study. And playing soccer is important to me because that way, because I have a way to relax. Is that the answer?
Did you hear his intonation? Yes, his voice did go up many times. That's because he was unsure of his answers. The reason for this is that he wasn't very comfortable and he had doubts whether or not he was speaking correctly. I asked him to write out the answer and then read it. Now you're going to listen to him read his answer.
I like to play soccer during my free time. Usually I play soccer with my dad, but on some occasions, for example, when my dad is stuck in traffic, otherwise I play with my mom for about an hour. After doing my homework, I want to relax, and playing soccer is the best way to do that. I can have some fun, and I do not need to think about studying.
Even with that incorrect sentence, it's still a much better answer. Here are some things that could make the answer even better. We can check to see if he has all the parts in the answer. What is it that you do in your free time? He plays soccer. What do you do? And do you ever play with your friends at school? He talked about his father and his mother, but he didn't talk about his friends. Or if he plays soccer after school or during school. Maybe there's a PE class. And PE is physical education. It's a class where you do some sort of sport or some activity. He enjoys this activity because he feels relaxed. When you play soccer, I don't think it's very relaxing. Reading a book, sitting and watching TV, that's more of a relaxing activity. But playing soccer, that uses up more energy. You're running around and you're probably laughing, and he could say that he finds playing soccer exciting, enjoyable, fun. He could have also expanded upon why playing soccer is so much fun. He could have said that he loves to run around, kicking a ball releases stress. He could have talked about those things in his answer. Why is this activity important to you? I don't think he answered that question. And playing soccer, well, that is difficult to say why it's important. He could focus on the fact that he studies a lot. He even goes to classes on Saturday and Sunday. So this activity is important so that he gets away from having to study. He could have also said that it's important to spend time with his parents, and he could have explained that a little bit. Now think about how you would have answered this question. Would you be able to speak fluently for a minute or even 2 minutes? What recommendations would you give him? Well, my students, that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any suggestions or comments, post them in the comment section below. And as always, thank you so much for liking, subscribing, and sharing. Until next time, my students, keep practicing. Bye.